Hello, this is Flyman English with Mr. Kabada. Today I'm going to present grammar questions, especially advanced English grammar questions with clear presentation and explanation. First, I'm going to give you some short time to answer the questions, and then I'm intended to give the answers with clear examples for each question. Please, before that, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. And if there are comments, don't forget to write comments, please. Yeah, let me start the first question, please. The first question here is the first question. Yeah, there is a conversation between student A and student B. Yeah, Rick, I got challenges in doing this project work. Look here. I got challenges in doing this project work. Student B, I would like to advise you to do it as blank as you can. Sorry, so what is the idea of the question here? I got challenged to do this project, but I would like to advise you to do it as blank as you can. The first one is will, second B, good, the third one possible C, and D, soon. So what is the intent of the question here? I would like to advise you do it as blank as you can. If you insert or select will, this is called an adverb, this is called an adjective, this is called a kind of words, and this is also an adjective here, more possible adjectives here. What does the question want here? I would like to advise you to do it as, yes, it as well as you can, because the question wants us an adverb. It shows about, it wants to modify about the action, which is called the verb, maybe the adjective and the adverb. Here in case no adjective, no adverb, but it wants to modify about the action, which is called verb. So from this, well is the right answer, please. ጥያቄው ኢንተንቱ ምንድነው መግለጽ የተፈለገው ነገር adjectiveን አይደለም adverbን አይደለም action ነው መግለጽ I would like to advise you to do ነው የሚላችሁ ያ an infinitive verb something to do it as well as you can, not as good as you can, not as possible as you can, not as soon as you can. It seems as soon as, but the question is not complete with as soon as. ታይምን አይደለም የሚፈልገው ነገር, right? As well as ማለት ኢንተንቱን የአክሽኑን ነው የሚፈልገው። ስለዚህ well ብለን እንመልሳለን. So the answer is well, please. You must have used sometime blank your writing work. Look here. ብቻዎቹ ናቸው. You must have used sometime blank your writing work. Yes, to revise, revising, in order revise, and for revising. Verb pattern questions now here. Yes, you must have used sometime. You must have used sometime. If you answer to revise, actually that's the right answer, please. Yeah, to revise, there is an infinitive plus their verb form or verb one forms of the verbs revise, not revising. Used it needs to, please. Used የሚለው ይሄ habitual action verb የሚወስደው to ነው የሚወስደው አይደለ? ስለዚህ use revising አይደለም, use in order revise አይደለም, use for revising አይደለም, use sometime to revise. You write your word. To revise means, there is something that will happen after a while, all right? To revise ካላችሁ ከሆነ ታይም በኋላ የሚከናወን ኢቨንት ነው። እሱን የምንገልጽበት ደግሞ verb pattern ነው። to revise ብለን ነው የምንገልጸው። verb pattern 2 plus verb 1 form ብለን ነው የምንገልጸው, please. So the answer is A. Yeah, question number 3. I heard bad news that my friend failed his driving license exam. Nice. Look the distractors here. I heard bad news that my friend failed his driving license exam. So here the question is tag question. Yeah, tag question. We have two basic formulas or basic rules. If and only if the statement is positive, the tag question is negative. If the statement is positive, the tag question is negative here. So from this sense, I heard bad news that my friend failed his driving license exam. So what is the correct tag question form here? 1. Isn't it? B. Doesn't he? Wasn't they? And didn't he? ይህን ጥያቄ ለመመለስ የጥያቄውን ሰብጀክት እና ቨርብ መለየት ግድ ነው የሚላችሁ። አንደኛ ሰብጀክቱ ማን ነው? ዶር ኦፍ ዘ አክሽን ምንለው? ፐርፎርመር አይ ነው። ስለዚህ ታግ ኩዌስችኑ የሚጠይቀው ይሄን መሆን አለበት። ሁለተኛ ቨርቡ ምንድነው? ፕሬዘንት ነው፣ ፓስት ነው፣ ፊውቸር ነው፣ ኮንቲኒየስ ነው፣ አክሽን ቨርብ ነው፣ ሞዳል ነው፣ ቢፎር ምስል ቨርብ ነው። እሱን መለየት ሌላ ምንም የምንፈልገው ነገር የለኝም። በሶስተኛ ደረጃ አረፍተ ነገሩ ኮምፓውንድ ኮምፕሌክስ ነው ወይ? ኮምፓውንድ ኮምፕሌክስ ከሆነ ዲፔንደንት እና ኢንዲፔንደንት ስላሉ ኢንቴንሽናችን ሜን ክሎዝ ላይ ሆነ ወይም ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ላይ ስለሆነ ሶስት ጉዳዮችን ከለየን በኋላ መመለስ እንችላለን። So the speaker here is I know. Heard action verb ነው. What kind of action verb? Present አይደለም፣ future አይደለም፣ past ነው። ስለዚህ አረፍተ ነገሩ past ከሆነ ታግ ኩዌስችናችን ምን ሊሆናል? didn't ብለን ነው የምንመልሰው። didn't he or no? Didn't I hear bad news that my friend failed? Didn't he not? Didn't I? Correct. he ነው የሚለው ወዴት እንቀይራለን? ወደ I እንቀይረዋል። didn't I ብለን ነው የምንፈልገው። didn't I? That's the right tag question, please. Question number 4. Question number 4. Blank sure you follow the correct steps while conducting your graduation research. Yeah, right. Yes, look here. Blank sure you follow the correct steps while conducting your graduation research. Yeah. To make sure, making sure, make sure, and making, yeah, making sure repeatedly written here. You can say, actually this is not the answer. The answer is make sure. Make sure you follow the correct steps while conducting your graduation research. So the answer is what? Make sure to make sure ካልን yeah, to make sure comma you should blank ብለን ነው የምናስቀምጠው. To make, because the sentence begins with an infinitive phrase እንለዋለን። ይሄ ነው infinitive phrase። አረፍተ ነገር subject ሊሆን ይችላል of course፣ ነገር ግን በኮማ የተለየ ነገር የለም። ስለዚህ to make ሊሆን አይችልም። making ሁለት የተለያዩ ሐሳቦች ወይም አንዱ ካለቀ በኋላ ሌላው የሚቀጥልበት ሐሳብ አያሳይም፣ አይሆንም እሱም። make of course አንድ ሐሳብ ነው፣ አንድን አረፍተ ነገር ነው የምንገልጽበት። make sure you check whether you did it or not. Yes, make sure whether you did the project work or not. Make sure one of your friends attend the meeting. Make sure you follow the right procedure. Of course, one statement to make sureness, you can use make sure, of course, right? So the sentence needs only one main clause here. Question number 5. He spoke blank English, so it was difficult to communicate with him. He spoke blank English. Look here. He spoke blank English, so it was difficult to communicate with him. Right. What kind of English does he spoke? A few, a little, and few. Right. These are adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. If we use a few and a few, we use for countable nouns. What about a little and little for uncountable nouns? A few, which has positive meaning, and some, not many, small number. I have a few friends, so I can enjoy my life. I have a few friends, so I can enjoy my life. Some friends, not many friends, it means. If I say few, almost close to negative, almost nothing, almost no, few. I have few friends here. I have few friends here, so I cannot enjoy my life here. Or the town is boring. Few tourists come and visit, almost negative. A little means uncountable, which has positive meaning. Some, not much, or small amount. A definition actually. There is a little salt in it, and the food is tasty. A little, some salt in it, the food is tasty. The food is not tasty because there is little salt in it. Not tasty because there is little taste. So you can just use just like this, please. All right? Just like this. ስለዚህ የአራቱም ልዩነታቸውም ኤክስፕላኔሽን በሰጠውበት መሰረት ነው። ስለዚህ ብላንክ እንግሊሽ ነው፣ ሊትል እንግሊሽ ነው ማለት ነው። so it was difficult to communicate with him ነው right። እዚህ ጋር ፍንጭ ሰጣችሁ እኮ it was difficult to communicate ማለት እንግሊዘኛው almost አላውቅም ማለት ነው። He spoke little English because little English is uncountable, all right? English word this will countable no. Little English can by the general language, you know, is uncountable. So the right word here is little English, please. Little English, please. Nice. Question number 6. Yeah, conversation between friend and you. When is she going to mail the letter? When is she going to mail the letter? Yeah, you, I'm sure, blank, yeah. The letter is going to mail next week. The letter is going to mail. Who is the letter, the doer, the action? No, the doer, the performer. Alright? The letter is really the performer. Is really meaningful sentence. The letter is going to mail next week. በራሱ ደብዳቤ በሚቀጥለው ሳምንት ሜል ይደረጋል። meaningful sentence ነው ይሄ? I'm not sure, please. Yeah, she will mail next time. Yeah, what then the question here? She will mail next time. No, parallel response አለም። The letter is going to be mailed next week. Nice, okay. And the letter is going mail next week. Something missed here, right? የመጀመሪያው ላይ ልክ active voice sentence ነው። ልክ እንደ door of the action ሆኖ ነው ሪሲቨሩ አክሽኑ ራሱ የመጣው። ስለዚህ ልክ አይደለም። she will mail next time እዚህ ጋር ጥያቄው present continuous ነው። እዚህ ጋር የተገለጸው ደግሞ በሲምፕል ፊውቸር ነው። ሶስተኛው the letter is going to be mailed next week ይሄ going to passive form ነው። የgoing to passive form ስፔሻል ፎርም ነው ያለው actually going to plus to be እና plus verb ስሪን ይወስዳል። right ኦብጀክቱ እዚህ ጋር ማለት ነው the letter ነው። ይሄው the letter is going to, of course, is going to, of course, there is be forms plus what is the action verb here? Be mailed here. So the letter is going to be mailed next week, or you can say that the next week, of course, next week. So this is called present continuous or going to passive construction. So the answer is C. D, the letter is going mailed. No, something is missed here. So it's not the correct way of writing, just like this, please. Yeah. የጠየኳችሁ ጥያቄው correct going to passive voice ነው የጠየኳችሁ። the answer is C ብለን ነው የምንመልሰው። nice. Question number 7. Question number 7. I remember the time that she belonged the first entrance exam. I remember the time that she belonged the first entrance exam and she was frustrated about it. She was frustrated about it. Will take and takes and took is taking. Yeah, actually the question is not somehow difficult because there is a clue here. One, there I remember, if you use I remember, there's something that's important to give clues. Second, she was frustrated. Yeah, was frustrated. The action that or the time that she took the exam was past, no present, no future here. So the answer is here. Yes, I remember the time that she takes the first entrance exam. ፈተናውን የምትወስደው ነው አይደለ? she will take ልትወስድ የሚችለው የምትወስደው ፈተና እናስታውስ አንችልም። I remember the time, please. she takes የማይሆነ she is taking እየወሰደች ያለውን ፈተና impossible to say just like this, all right? right አንደኛ። ሁለተኛ ኤቨንቱ ራሱ የሚያሳያቸው she was frustrated ሲል past ነው። past ከሆነ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር parallelism የሚሰራልኝ simple past verb ነው። So simple past for indefinite time. Simple past for indefinite time. There is a clear clue here, right? She was frustrated ካለ event የተከናወነው past ነው። ስለዚህ past ነው መርጣለሁ ማለት ነው አይደል? I remember the time that she took the first የመጀመሪያ ኢንትራንስ የመግቢያ ፈተና የወሰደችበት ሰዓት አስታውሳለሁና በጣም ፈርታ ነበር ነው እያለን ያለው። So the answer is took ብለን እንመልሳለን። Number 8, look here, number 8. Believe or not, we belong some. Believe or not, we belong. Someone broke the window and stole some more things. Believe or not, we belong. Someone broke the window and stole some more things. What's the answer here? We are not secure. We are not secured. We are not secure. Is it really possible and meaningful sentence? We are not secure. If you use these kinds of be-forms for verbs, what is the form of the action verb? Is it really, does it take about ing or maybe another past participle form or simple past form? I don't think so. There is a problem. Wrong structure, wrong forms of be-forms of verbs here. Wrong form ነው እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጠው r ከተጠቀምን ምን ተቀበል structure ይሄን አይደለም። unsecured yeah present passive voice ማለት ነው we are not secured there is some kind of external force to us actually right we are not secured secure አልነበርንም ቤታችን በራፉ መስኮቱ ተሰብሮ ብዙ ንብረቶች ተዘርፈዋል ነው ይያለን ያ we are not secured yeah will be secured no will be secured እዚህ ጋር ያለው context will be secured we are going to be secured so the answer is we are not secured please yeah believe or not we are not secured sometimes ያረፍተ ነገሩን ድርጊት ፈጻሚ ማናቀው ከሆነ ፓሲቭ ቮይስ እንጠቀማለን የሚል ዴፊኒሽን አለ በፓሲቭ ቮይስ ህግ መሰረት እዚህ ጋር ግን ፐርፎርም ሆኖን ዶሩን በደንብ እናቀዋለን አለ ግን ኤክስተርናል ፎርስ እንዳለን ማሳየት እንፈልገው ስለዚህ አንዳንድ ጊዜ ዶሩን ያወቅነው አክሽኑን ወይም ፐርፎርም ዋናው ኤክስተርናል ፎርስ ካለ በፓሲቭ ቮይስ ልንገልጽ እንችላለን ነው ራይት ለምሳሌ we are invited to her party እንችላለን we are invited to her party so party ተጋብዘናል ስለዚህ ተዘርፈናል we are not secured ማለት secure አይደለንም ነው ሴንሱ ስለዚህ the answer is B ብለን እንመልሳለን nice question number 8 question number 9 they all attempt the native speakers accent so that they will be fluent speakers they all attempt blank the native speakers accent so that they will be fluent speakers yeah this is very pattern question our intention here is the verb attempt what's attempt try to achieve right attempt ማለት try to achieve ነው so what is the form here attempt ስንል ምንድነው የሚያደርገው try to attempt practicing ነው to practice ነው so sense ነው የምትይዙት please they all attempt to practice ነው የምትሉት attempt to practice there is attempt here attempt means there is first action here attempt then what's the second action to practice why do they attempt to practice all right there is a plan here what's their plan to attempt the native speakers pronunciation all right so that there will be fluent speakers here attempt ማለት verb pattern 2 ነው የሚወስድልኝ ስለዚህ to plus practice ይወስድልኛል ወይም to plus verb 1 ይወስድልኛል ምክንያቱ አሁን የነገርኳችሁ እዚህ ጋር ፕላን አለ ፕላኑ ምንድነው to practice ነው ምንድነው the native speakers pronunciation ነው ስለዚህ ይሄን ነው to plus verb formoች የሚያሳዩን ከverb ing የሚለዩበት ይሄ ነው ኦኬ ከverb ስለዚህ attempt ስል to ነው የሚወስዱ attempt practicing try to achieve ይያለ practicing ካልኩኝ እኮ enjoy ያደርጋሉ ማለታችን ነው አይደል they all attempt practice the native speakers no አይሆንም nice I know the reason blank shall leave the town and show the accused mugging look the distractor is here I know the reason Shahs leaves the town and shows accused mugging theft means robbing yeah why I know the reason why shows yes of course why because adverb clause this is called relative adverbs from the lacho actually why where and when relative adverbs nacho they are function to join to one main clause to that of the dependent clause but they are adverbs take care please relative pronoun አይደሉም relative adverbs ናቸው relative adverb ማለት በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ያለውን adverbዎች adjectiveዎች ወይም verbዎች ነው modify የሚያደርጉት ማለት ነው ስለዚህ why የምጠቀም ከሆነ reason ይገልጽልኛል where የምጠቀም ከሆነ place and when የምጠቀም ከሆነ time ይገልጽ ስለዚህ why ያለበትን መጣለው and why and ሌሎች የሉኝ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ቢናዲ መልስ አይደሉም ማለት ነው and the other one she was accused of no እዚህ ጋር መጣው she was accused of accused it has a fixed preposition with of fixed preposition ማለት ሁሉ ጊዜ accused የሚወስደው preposition the word or the preposition of ነው የሚወስደው ስለዚህ I know the reason why she left the town and she was accused of mugging yeah በዝርፊያ ወንጀል ስለተጠረጠረች ነው ከከተማ ለቃ ሄደችው that is what I would say here question here ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው why ነው justification or የተጧች justification ነው great yeah question number 10 yes right look at blank their proof of performance they couldn't compete with the others blank their poor performance they couldn't compete with the others because yes because here when do we use because what is the word to class because it is adverb clause of reason ነው የሚገልጽልኝ what about this type contrast also contrast what about owing to preposition of reason ነው የምንላቸው እነዚህ owing to due to on account of and because of on account owing to due to አራቱ preposition of reason ነው የምትሏቸው ለምንድን ነው የተባሉት preposition አስከትለው ስለሚሄዱ አንደኛ ሁለተኛ ስትራክቸራቸው ምንድነው ፍሬዞችን ነው የሚሄዱ ምን አይነት ፍሬዞችን ነው either noun phrase ወይም demonstrative adjectiveዎችን ተከትሎ ነው because of my own problem ልል እችላለሁ because of the traffic ልል እችላለሁ or due to her illness due to her lateness due to the crowded or due to heavy raining heavily ልል እችላለሁ ኦኬ አያችኋቸው እዚህ ጋር ያገለጽኳቸው የአረፍተ ነገር ስትራክቸሮች noun phrases ናቸው ስለዚህ noun phrases ከሆኑ ደግሞ ይሄንን phrases of reason ነው የሚሉት their performance noun phrase because the head word performance noun ነው አይደለ poor adjective ነው their performance noun phrase ነው close አይደለም verb ስለሌለው ማለት ስለዚህ owing to their performance owing to ማለት because of due to on account of their performance and they couldn't compete with the others yeah also ከሆነ እዚህ ጋር close ነው የሚሆነው phrase አይደለም የሚሆነው ስለዚህ ስህተት ነው አይሆንም ማለት ነው ቢከዝም እንዳንጠቀም close ነው ፍሬዝም ተከትሎ ስለማይሄድ because መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም nice so the answer is D ብላችሁ መልሳላችሁ question number 12 yeah do you know the right way to the station John Melissa yes of course this is blank and blank way to arrive there let's come to the distractors here this is the easier and the shortest the easiest and shorter and the easiest and shortest easy and shorter yeah what's the answer here do you know the way to the station yes of course this is yeah the easier and this is the easiest and shortest way to arrive there the easiest which is superlative degree it sometimes takes the definite article them the is common both the two adjectives the easiest and the shortest ሁለቱንም ስለሚገልጽ ነው the easiest and the shortest way ብለን ልንገልጻችንም ስለዚህ the easiest from the many ways this that I want to show or I'm going to show it the very shortest and the easiest way to arrive on time there right ካሉት መንገዶች አሁን የማሳየው በጣም ቀላል እና አቋራጭ መንገዶች ሰዓት የማያጡ መንገዶች መሆናቸውን ነው ማሳየት የፈለኩት so this is ስንል comparative degree አይደለም የሚፈልገው ታዲያ ምንድነው የሚፈልገው superlative degree ነው ስለዚህ easiest and shortest way ብለን መልስ እንሰጣለን nice question number 30 don't forget blank me back I'll wait your call yeah it's common grammar actually because we most of the time use this English language yes እንጠቀምበታል when we phone to our friend when we send a message to my friend is in an office you can just use this don't forget to call me back I'll wait your call to call me back so the answer is C to call me back calling you back okay sometimes forget የሚለው verb ሁለቱንም don't forget calling don't forget to call ማለት እንችላለን ነገር ግን ትርጉሙ ይለያያል በዚህ ኬዝ የሚሆነን calling የለም to call me back don't forget please yeah forget and remember some words may take verb plus ing and verb plus 2 so for this answer to call it the answer please number 14 the doctor accompanied with his colleagues blank the patient's critical problem and they sent him to the OPD room OPD means operation room right or operation department the doctor accompanied with his colleagues the patient's critical problem and they sent him to the OPD room yeah what is the idea of the question here let's come the distractors please yeah ምርጫዎቹን ተመልከቷቸው እዚህ ጋር diagnosis diagnose are diagnosing have diagnosed right ምንድነው ጥያቄው the doctor and his colleagues ይላል the doctor and his colleagues these two different subjects can be combined with the that's called prepositional conjunctions ነው የምንለው ይሄን prepositional conjunctions accompanied with and together with, or what's called accompanied with, together with, and some other prepositional conjunctions are there. If two nouns we can be combined, one of the prepositional conjunctions, the verb determines or the verb agrees with the principal subject. Yes, the principal subject means the main subject, obviously, please. That's all is true. አንድ ሁለት ሐሳቦች ሁለት ስሞች ወይም ስማዊ ሐረጎች ናውን ፍሬዞች በእነዚህ በፕሪፖዚሽናል ኮንጀክሽን ከተያዙ ቨርቡ የሚወሰነው በፕሪንሲፓል ሰብጀክት ነው ወይም በመጀመሪያው ያረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት ነው። ስለዚህ ዘ ዶክተር የሚለው ሲንጉለር ነው። ሲንጉለር ቨርባችን ኤ ነው የምንለው። እዚህ ጋር with his colleagues ስንል his friends ማለት ነው። his friends ፕሉራል ሰብጀክት ናቸው። ነገር ግን ቨርቡ በእነዚህ አይወሰንም። መልሳችን ዲያግኖስ ብለን መልሳለን። Exactly. Nice. Question number 15. Question number 15. The national election blank by the end of June. The national election blank by the end of June would have held, yeah, will be, will have held, will have been held. I'm talking about the national election. Actually the question is the future perfect. Future perfect because there is an a clue here, time phrase by plus time. Time ምንድነው ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርግልን ነው። ድርጊቱ ተካራውን የሚጨርስበትን ታይም ፖይንት አውት የሚያደርግልን ነው by plus time. end of June ነው እያለን ያለው በሰኔ መጨረሻ ላይ ካለ ስፔሲፊክ ሆነ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ actually future perfect መጠቀማችን እንዳንረሳ እዚህ ጋር ግን ምንድነው we are intended, our intention here is the national exam, which is not the door but is the agent, all right? A receiver no አይደል? receiver ከሆነ ደግሞ will have been healed ነው የምንለው። will have been healed passive voice, future perfect passive voice ማለት ነው። we held yes, right, look here, we held the third research conference. We held the third research conference, but I got blank special and they use similar procedures. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, we held the third research conference, but I got blank special. አሁን እዚህ ጋር የሚያሳየን ነገር ምንድነው? ሐሳቡ ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ኦፖዚት ናቸው፣ ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው። ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች መሆናቸውን ከተረዳው ደግሞ የትኛው ነገር ነው ዲፋይን ሊያደርግ የሚችለው? እነዚህ indefinite pronoun የምንላቸው ናቸው። nothing, something, anything and one thing. Indefinite pronouns which points about, which talks about things, not person, right? ስለዚህ nothing ካላችሁ ልክ ነው፣ ምክንያቱም opposite meaning ነው ያልኳችሁ። ያ we had the third and research conference but I got nothing special and they give yeah ያው አካሄደናል። ሶስተኛው ሪሰርች ሲምፖዚየም አካሄደናል፣ ግን ምንም የተለየ ነገር አላየሁም ወይም አላገኘሁም። ሁሉም ተመሳሳይ ፕሮሲጀር ተጠቅመው ነው የሰሩት ካለ anything ጋር nothing ማለት ኔጌቲቭ ሚኒንግ ነው፣ ግን ፕሮሲድ የሚያደርገው አስከትሎ የሚለው ፖዚቲቭ ቨርብ ነው። anything for question and for making negative sentence ነው። እዚህ ጋር negative sentence አይደለም። something which has positive but we don't know the thing, one thing which is specified and it refers about one thing but it doesn't, it's not quite true for completing the question with nothing, no place to insert. One thing is not an indefinite pronoun by itself, please. So the answer is nothing. But I got nothing special and they will be similar procedures. Yeah, nothing here. Question number 17. 17ኛው ጥያቄ please. Yeah, I would have called Lisa. I would have called Lisa blank her number if I had her number. B, had I had her number. Have I had her number? If I have her number. What did it mean here? First ጥያቄውን ተረዱት። መጀመሪያ ጥያቄው ምንድነው የሚፈልጋቸው? ጥያቄው ምንድነው የሚፈልጋቸው? I would have called Lisa. How would have called? Would have plus verb 3 perfect condition ነው የምትሉት ይሄን or conditional perfect ነው የምትሉት። conditional perfect would have, should have, might have, could have plus verb 3 impossible condition, unfulfilled condition ነው። of course እዚህ ጋር main clause ነው አየሁት አይደለ? ከዛ በኋላ እዚህ ጋር ምንድነው if plus past perfect እንጠቀማለን ነው። if plus past perfect እዚህ ጋር ይሄ አይደለም፣ ይሄ አይደለም፣ ይሄ አይደለም። ስለዚህ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው? ቢ ማለት had I had ማለት inversion ነው፣ inversion ነው፣ inversion ነው። had I had ማለት if I had had her number ማለት ነው። please inversion ነው። inversion ማለት had the same meaning with the conjunction if ተመሳሳይ inversion ነው ስለዚህ ፍንጭ የሚሰጣችሁ ነገር ምንድነው conditional type 3 ነው ይሄኛው conditional if clause procedure ነው is clause structure ነው had I had her number ማለት ነው inversion ነው ብያችኋለሁ ስለዚህ ምንድነው I didn't call to Lisa because I didn't know her number ማለት ነው yes because I didn't have her number ስልኩ ያለኝም ነበር ስለዚህ ያልደወልኩላትም ነበር ነው ትርጉም ይሰጣል ስለዚህ the answer is B nice I want to see the film it belongs to be good I want to see the film it belongs to be good nice it is supposed what is supposed supposing and is supposing yeah what's this called also passive voice yeah is supposed is the answer is supposed ምንዋራው ስለማን is supposed ማለት it የሚዋራው ማን ነው ሪፈር የሚያደርገው ዘ ፊልም ነው ስለ ፊልሙ ነው የሚዋራላችሁ ዛስ አለቀ በቃ እሱን ይሄን ሪፈረንት ወርድ ካወቁት በፓሲቭ ቮይስ ነው ኮምፕሊት ማድረገው እንጂ በአክቲቭ ቮይስ ኮምፕሊት ሊሆን አይችልም it is supposed to be good it is said that ማለት ነው supposed ማለት it is said that good ማለት ነው right it is said that good so the answer is it is supposed it's supposing meaningless no it's supposed meaningless no it is supposing we cannot complete this ምክንያቱም it is supposing supposed ካላችሁ active voice ነው active voice ደግሞ ሊሆን አይችልም because agent ነው receiver ነው it ወይም ፊልሙ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ በምን ይገለጻል በpresent passive voice it is supposed to be good means it is said that good ለማለት ነው so the answer is A question number 90 Anan have you ever considered belong to live in another country nice Mesfin yes of course I have you ever considered belong to live in another country Mesfin yes of course I have so what's the question here yes of course yeah have you considered going to actually yeah going have you considered going ምንድነው have you considered yeah have you considered going ስትል ፕላን ነው የሚያሳይል considered የሚለው word verb plus or verb plus ing going ካልክ have you considered ever going does it give sense if you insert going no meaning at all have you ever considered to go have you ever consider means think of to go to live in another country so it shows about plan to live in another country 2 plus verb 1 here of course that's the answer is to go and to going no going to wrong structure የለን verb pattern structure አይደለም ዲ ስለዚህ considered የሚለው verb የሚወስደው ማን ነው to go የሚለው ነው የሚያሳይ have you ever considered to go ማለት ነው has she a plan to go in another country so the answer is B exactly እነዚህ verb patternዎችን ትርጉማቸውን በዚህ መልኩ ነው የምትይዟቸው please look here who is going to drive you or I you or mine look here me or you or me who is going to drive you or I wrong subjective case ነው የሚፈልገው subjective case አለ ጥያቄው you or mine possession ነው የሚያሳየን ይሄ possession አይደለም የሚፈልገው because there isn't anything which shows about possession so possession is the answer here me or you so it never begins with I myself maybe if there is another person it begins with another person beginning from that person and comes to me ከዛ ሰው የጀምረው ወደ መምጣት ያለበት እሱና እኔ እሷና እሱ እሷና እኔ እሷና እንደዚህ ይያል ነው መንሄደው you or me both are objective case ናቸው please yeah objective case ናቸው who is going to drive you or me እናንተ እሷ ወይስ እኔ ሁለታችን ስለዚህ ማን ነው የሚለው መልሳችሁ you or me object pronoun ማለት ነው so the answer is here nice question number 21 there were very blank people on the beach so nobody saw the child thinking a clear question I think there were very blank people on the beach so nobody saw the child thinking ጥያቄያችሁ እዚህ ጋር አለቀ በቃ አንደኛ እዚህ ጋር የሚፈልገው ነገር እነዚህ ዲስትራክተሮቹ ማያት ነው ሁለተኛ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ካውንቴብል ነው አካውንቴብል ነው ሶስተኛ nobody saw the child thinking ሲል የሚያሳየው አንድ ኢምፕሊኬሽን አለ ይሄን በደንብ ከለየሁት within a short time I can answer the question please. So here there was very blank people. All right, much አንጠቀም uncountable, very little uncountable ነው አይሆንም። እዚህ ጋር people countable ስለሆነ a fewer አንጠቀም because very a fewer ብለን አንመልስም አይደል? very a fewer አንልም። wrong ነው። article a አይወስድም fewer. So the answer is ማለት ነው few ነው። few almost negative ነው። close to negative ብዬ ነገርኳችኋለሁ። almost nothing or no one ማለት ነው አይደል? almost no one። ለምሳሌ the town is boring, few tourists come and visit it ካልኩኝ ከተማው ማራኪ አይደለም። ስለዚህ almost ብዙ ጎብኚዎች አይመጡበትም ለማለት ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ so nobody saw the child singing ማለት almost ቢች ላይ ወይም ዳርቻው ላይ ባህር ዳርቻው ላይ ብዙ ሰው የለም ማለት ነው። ከሌለ ደግሞ ህፃኑ እዛ ጋር ሲሰምጥ ወይም የሆነ ውሃ ውስጥ ሲገባ ማንንም ያየው አልነበረም ነው እያልን ያለው። ስለዚህ few people እንጠቀም። very few ማለት almost no people ማለት ነው። yes almost no people ማለት ነው። ያ nice. I don't want so blank students to come to the front because it will be very crowded. Yeah, right. I don't want so blank students to come to the front because it will be very crowded. Yeah, right. The same question here. So look here, much is uncountable. It's the same question. Little is uncountable, but some and many, some for both countable and uncountable. Many is only for countable, but you can just use many for questions and negative sentence. Sometimes we use many for some different circumstance which is different from that I'm telling you. አሁን እየነገርኳችሁ ካለው ይዘት ውስጥ much and many የምጠቀምበት ነገሮች አሉ። ለምሳሌ I don't want so many students ነው ማለት yes I don't want so many. so adverb ነው many adjective ነው modify ያደርገዋል። ስለዚህ ሩራኪ ነው። አንደኛ ኔጌቲቭ ሰንተንስ ነው እዚህ ጋር ያለው ኔጌቲቭ ሰንተንስ ቀደም ያልኳችሁ much and many ሁለት አጠቃቀም አላቸው። አረፍተ ነገሩ ኔጌቲቭ ሲሆን ሁለተኛ question ሲሆን much and many እንጠቀማለን፣ ሌሎቹ አንጠቀማለን። ስለዚህ I don't want so many students ስንል many countable ነው ኔጌቲቭ ሰንተንስ ነው። ሁለተኛ so የሚለውን adverb intensifying adverb ይዞ ይሄዳል። ስለዚህ I don't want so many students to come to the front because it will be very crowded, right? It will be very crowded. So the answer is just like this, please. Question number 23. I wouldn't dream blank asking them for money. I wouldn't dream asking them for money of and to. Dream of because dream always takes the preposition of a fixed preposition of dream የሚለው preposition of ነው የሚወስደው። ያ nice. Blankeki out of his pocket he opened the door. Blankeki out of his pocket he opened the door. To take a key out of his pocket, an infinitive phrase, having participle phrase, having taken participle phrase. Sorry, this is not participle phrase አይደለም፣ meaningless ነው። taking participle ነው present participle ነው። Alright, which one do you think is right? መጀመሪያ ጥያቄው ማየት ነው። Blankeki out of his pocket he opened ሁለት consecutive events አሉ እዚህ ጋር። consecutive events ማለት ተከታታይ የሆኑ ኢቨንቶች ናቸው። መጀመሪያ ከኪሱ ቁልፉን ማውጣት ከዛ በሩን መክፈት ነው አይደል? ሁለት consecutive events ናቸው። seriously የሚከናወኑ ናቸው። ስለዚህ ማን ነው ይሄን ስራ የሚሰራልኝ? having taken ማለት perfect participle ነው። አንዱን ኮምፕሊት ካደረግን በኋላ ሌላውን ሁለተኛውን ኢቨንት ኮምፕሊት የምናደርግበት ነው። እሱ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም። ማን ነው ብትሉኝ present participle taking a key out of his pocket and he opened the door means while taking or after taking a key out of his pocket he opened the door ማለት ነው። right? taking ማለት after taking a key out of his pocket he opened the door ማለት ስለዚህ the answer is taking, right? Nice. Question number 25. Yes, our flight was delayed. We had to wait blank airport for 3 hours. The airport, no article is needed here. So right, our flight was delayed. We had to wait the airport. No article in አይሆንም። article የማይፈልግማ the airport. We know the article. We know the airport actually. We know the place. We wait for the article there. known special የሚለውን ነገር ነው የሚገልጽልን። ይሄ special place special event special circumstance የምንገልጽበት article definite article ዘ ነው። so the airport ነው የምትሉት። the airport አንልም of course airport አንልም። nice. Question number 26. It's a very easy exam. It's a very easy exam, blank fails. It's a very easy exam, blank fails. Anybody fails? Hardly somebody any fails. And hardly anybody fails. Someone fails. What's the idea, please, here? It's a very easy exam. አለቀ ጥያቄው ሲጋ ማለት ስለዚህ በጣም ቀላል ፈተና ከሆነ ቀላል ፈተና ቢሆንም ብዙ ተማሪ አላለፈም የሚያሳየን እንደዛ አይደለም ያ hardly anybody fails ማለት hardly anybody ማለት nobody fails the exam ማለት right hardly ማለት negative meaning ነው hardly negative meaning ነው ማለት anybody didn't fail the exam ማለት ነው yes anybody didn't fail the exam ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት anybody didn't fail the hardly ማለት almost negative meaning ነው ብያችኋለሁ negative meaning ስለሆነ ነው anybody ይዞ ይስከተለው ስለዚህ hardly any ማለት almost positive connotative meaning አለው it's a very easy exam nobody fails ማለት right nobody fails hardly any ማለት positive meaning ነው ብያችኋለሁ መልሳችሁ C ነው የሚሆነው please question number 26 here would you like to drink blank Coca-Cola all right would you like to drink blank Coca-Cola a bucket of Coca-Cola can it be possible with a bucket of Coca-Cola what bucket means maybe it's a container we can contain at least more than 20 liters of water can you say possible can it be possible to say like that a liter of Coca-Cola is it possible to measure the unit of Coca-Cola in a liter I don't think so a loaf what about this measurement a loaf unit a loaf can it be possible to use a loaf of Coca-Cola no what about a can of Coca-Cola a can of Coca-Cola this is a unit for Coca-Cola soft drinks actually a can of Coca-Cola a can of Pepsi a can of Mirinda definitely so the answer is a can of question number 27 there is blank oil left want to buy blank more yes right another there is blank oil left all right left want to buy that's right want to buy right አሁን እዚህ ጋር ፈንጭ ሰጣችሁ አያችሁ ይሄ ሐሳብ ከዚህ ጋር የመጣ ተያዘ there is blank oil left want to buy more ነው ብላችሁ few እንጠቀማለን ቀድም ብለናል አንጠቀም እሱን ታስወጣላችሁ a little much እንጠቀማለን much ከሆነ ደግሞ left አይለንም we want to buy ምናምን አይለንም ስለዚህ እሱን መልስ አይሆንልንም አይደል yes there is little oil left we want to buy some more there is little oil no oil at all some more which is not much actually some more yeah በጣም adequate የሆነ ወይም plenty of oil ለማለት አይደለም almost መግዛት የሚገባን ያክል መጠን እንገዛለን ነው ግን መልሱ የሚሆነው ምንድነው there is little oil left ይሄ ነው little ስንጠቀም almost nothing and also this is look here this is uncountable oil by itself is uncountable so we use little a little much possible please ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው a little and some more that's the rationale behind it question number 28 question number 27 nice please she has been blank music all day she has been listening be listened and she to listening and the listeners she has been listening very simple question the present perfect continuous tense ነው ምክንያቱም ዛጋ ፍንጭ ሰጠን ነገር ስላለ እሱን የሚፈልግ ጥያቄ ነው question number 28 nice here when I came to this classroom I belong anyone I came to the classroom this is the dependent clause and this one is the main clause here the structure or the time that the dependent clause used is simple past when I came to this classroom yeah ሱን ነው በደም መታየት ያለበት ጉዳይ ዝም ብዬ ራፍሊ አንብቤ እኮ መመለስ አልችልም ጥያቄውን please I haven't know does it go with present perfect I didn't know simple past I was knowing past continuous I wouldn't know which is conditional actually ጥያቄው conditional አይደለም ይሄን ያውስልንም was knowing ስንል ይሄ mental verb ነው knowing በጀረንድ ፎርም አንገልጸውም አበቃ ተበላሽ ጥያቄው እዚህ ጋር I haven't known the present perfect ነው present perfect ከsimple past ጋር በፍጹም ሊሄድ አይችልም I didn't know simple past with simple past yes simple past ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ጉዳይ ነው ያሰረናው when I came to this classroom እዚህ ክላስሩም መጥቼ እንደነበር ማንንም ሰው አላውቅም ነበር ነው ያላችሁ ያለው I haven't known ማለት እዚህ መጥቼ እንደነበር yes አላወኩም ነው ይላል አላወኩም ነው ይላል ያለው አላወኩም ሪዘልቱ ካሁን ጋር ይገናኛል ስለዚህ መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው ቢ ብላችሁ ትመልሳላችሁ justification ይሄ ነው question number 29 question number 29 nice yeah I would like to live in a place blank there is plenty of sunshine I would like to live yes I would like to live yes a place where exactly relative adverb ቅድም ያልኳችሁ I would like to live a place where there is plenty of sunshine relative adverb where there is plenty of sunshine is called relative adverb የሚባለው ይሄ ነው where beginning from the relative adverb until the last sentence which is dependent ሩትና ማን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ I would like to live in a place ይሄን ሐሳብ ነው እየገለጸላችሁ ያለው መልሳችሁ where nice Abel where are you going Dorje blank I'm staying here anywhere is relative adverb of place ነው የምንላቸው anywhere for question and for making negative sentence ነው I don't park my car anywhere here Can I get anywhere to park my car There is nowhere to park my car positive አይደለም negative meaning ነው ያለው because nowhere በራሱ negative meaning ነው positive verbን አስከትሎ ይሄዳል somewhere positive meaning ነው but the place is not specified here somewhere ካላችሁ positive meaning ነው place specify አይሆንም I will park my car somewhere here of course እችላለሁ somewhere everywhere just every the place is convenient rookie the place is convenient to park my car so I can park my car everywhere I like everywhere more specify ያደርጋል more wide ያደርጋል ስኮፑን ሰፋ ያደርጋል everywhere ስለዚህ nowhere ካላችሁ በጣም ትክክል ናችሁ yes where are you going nowhere I'm staying here የሚለው nowhere እንደምጠቀማችሁ እዚህ ጋር ነው የምቆየው የትም ቦታ አልሄድም ነው የሚለን nowhere nice please this is called the right answer of question number 13 nice maybe the other one here is the last one is these questions are from Family English Language Improvement Center from Mr. Kabada I think this is not my first time to present this kind of questions through my YouTube channel these are the third or fourth times which is an advanced grammar test try to test yourself where you stand are how much you know the grammar how much you are cleverness how much you are close to grammar actually I don't mean that knowing or answering or practicing or understanding grammar is enough to practice to become fluent speaker fluent writer but this is one of the components of English language skills the sub skills of English language so if you know this structure if you know English grammar you know about writing it will give you hints about to communicate with some other and also importantly if you have an exam maybe an exit exam entrance exam or maybe interview exam or TOEFL exam it will give you hints and cues so you will develop your confidence in answering for grammar questions please nice this is from Family English with Mr. Kabada subscribe like and share my channel and write comment thank you for the time being please